Barnaby the bear wanted to build a bridge across the stream, but the logs were too heavy. Barnaby pushed and pushed. The log did not move. He sat down with a sigh. Ollie the owl flew down from his tree. "Barnaby, you look stuck. Can I help?" Barnaby said, "The log is too heavy for me." Ollie thought hard. Ollie had an idea. "Let us use a smaller log first. We can roll it together." Barnaby and Ollie pushed the smaller log. 1, 2, 3, push! It rolled. They rolled log after log. Working together made everything easier. Soon, the bridge was taking shape. Barnaby laid the planks while Ollie checked they were straight. The bridge was finished. It stretched all the way across. What a beautiful bridge. Barnaby gave Ollie a big bear hug. "We did it together." Barnaby learned that asking for help is not giving up. It is being smart. Now all the friends could cross the stream on Barnaby and Ollie's beautiful bridge.